The Redmi Note 16 Pro Plus is already becoming one of the most anticipated upcoming mid-range smartphones, with early leaks and expectations pointing toward major upgrades in display, performance, and camera technology. The device is rumored to feature a high-quality AMOLED screen with a fast refresh rate for smooth scrolling and gaming, along with a powerful new Snapdragon or MediaTek chipset designed to deliver near-flagship performance at a competitive price. Camera improvements are also expected, possibly including a higher-resolution main sensor with enhanced AI photography features and better low-light results. Redmi may also boost battery life with a larger capacity and faster charging, continuing its trend of offering premium features in affordable devices. As for the release date, the Redmi Note 16 Pro Plus is widely expected to launch in late 2026, following Xiaomi's usual release cycle for the Note series, making it a strong contender for one of the best value smartphones of the year.